Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered which budgeting method could transform your business's financial success? Stay tuned as we explore the 6 types of budgeting methods that could revolutionize the way you manage your finances. Brought to you by NextGen Payment Solutions, your go-to for merchant and payment processing and POS system provider. Don't forget to click that like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment your thoughts below. 1. Activity-based budgeting. Activity-based budgeting, or ABB, meticulously considers all expenditure-related activities within a business. For instance, a burger restaurant might calculate the cost per burger combo to determine its base budget accurately. ABB ensures precise expense allocation, albeit demanding significant time and effort. 2. Incremental budgeting. Incremental budgeting builds upon past budgets, adjusting based on projections and previous performance. While simpler, it may lack the detailed insights of ABB. Nonetheless, it remains efficient for smaller businesses without extensive accounting resources. 3. Value proposition budgeting. Value proposition emphasizes the significance and relevance of each expenditure. By scrutinizing the value offered by different expenses, businesses make informed budgetary decisions. 4. Zero-based budgeting. Zero-based budgeting resets the budget to zero at each fiscal period, promoting accountability and minimizing unnecessary spending. Despite requiring more time and expertise, it fosters a thorough examination of expenses. 5. Flexible budgeting. Flexible budgets adapt to fluctuating revenue, ideal for businesses with seasonal or unpredictable income patterns. Aligning expenses with revenue fluctuations maintains financial stability throughout the year. 6. Envelope budgeting. Envelope budgeting assigns specific amounts to various expense categories, suitable for small businesses with limited resources. While lacking precision for larger enterprises, it promotes spending discipline. And there you have it. If you find this video valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Give us a call or visit npscanada.com. Thanks for watching, and until next time.